Now in this question we have to find direction cosines, okay, and directive from A to B. Now vector joining the points (1, 2, negative of 3) and point B negative of 1, negative of 2, 1 is a vector, is a vector. Now vector AB is equal to with I cap plus with j cap plus 1 with k cap. Now this is equal to for k cap. Direction ratios of AB. Now direction ratios are negative of 2, negative of 4 and 4. Okay. Now is equal to negative of 2 square plus 4 square. Is equal to 6. Now if L, M and N are the direction cosines of a given vector, then L is equal to now negative of 2, this is equal to negative of 2 upon 6 is equal to M negative of 4 upon N 4 upon 2 upon 3. Now direction cosines of given vector, that is AB, are this is the answer.